So if the medication is dropped or expired, it should never be used back to the patient again. It's because the dropped or expired medication may be ineffective, or sometimes it may be it may it may be harmful to the patient, like it may take their life as well. It's because it is the expired medication, and it could be toxic in its own. So, and regarding the dropped medication, while the medication dropped like in the floor or in our bare hand, then it may get contaminated. That is why you should never use the medication. And if the medication is dropped, then you should use the proper disposable method to dispose it. And if the medication is expired, then you should also dispose this medication. So while disposing the medication, you should follow the legal procedure of it, like you should take it back to the pharmacy. You should never flush it in the toilet or throw it in the garbage bin. So if the person refuses to have the medication, then you need to document the situation, like why the person refused to have the medication, like if it just to make sure that if it is because of the side effect or due to the lack of understanding to the person. So the other staff will also get the idea about it. And don't forget to document it, like writing it in the documentation sheet itself and writing it in the communication book as well, so that other staff will also know the main reason. And don't forget to inform the pharmacy as well, because this may have the big side effect to the person. Refusing medication is a huge thing. So if the person misses a dose of medication, then the next step should be to look upon the type of medication and to take care of the timing of the missed dose, like at what time the dose was missed. As I mentioned earlier, if it's already late by 1 hour, then you need to contact to the pharmacy and go with their procedure, or like whatever they say you to do the next step.